How to hide phone number in WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to discuss whether or not we can hide phone number in WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you open up WhatsApp and then you want to hide your phone number because maybe someone add you to someone's group and you don't want all the people in the group to know about your phone number, unlike Telegram, because Telegram has the option to hide phone number, WhatsApp does not have such option, and unfortunately WhatsApp has not introduced. Now there is a difference between Telegram and WhatsApp. You might say you want this feature, but Telegram is not a number to number basis application. Telegram has the data to everything that you do, to the groups you join, to the people you talk, but WhatsApp doesn't keep your data. That is why you back up the chats on WhatsApp yourself to your Google Drive, to your iCloud, or maybe to your phone, or maybe you don't back them up at all. WhatsApp is a privacy based application and they don't have the option to hide the phone number if you're actually on someone's group and so on. So unfortunately, so far WhatsApp has not come up with a feature. If they do introduce it, I'll also make sure to update to you about it. So hope this video helped you understand the question. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.